Hello guys, I am Veerpal and today we are going to learn a very powerful strategy based on Bollinger Band and another indicator we will use is MACD along with the Heikin-Ashi candlestick patterns. So for the preparation I would say it is one setting which we have to change, and that is for Bollinger Band. So what we have to do is we have to change the setting of a Bollinger Band, and we will take a look back period of 5, and the standard deviation we will take 3. So it's only one setting we have to need to change, and the concept behind this strategy is the volatility expansion. So when the volatility expand, first the volatility travels to the low volatility area to the high volatility area. So when the squeeze happen on the Bollinger Band, we have to look for the powerful trade here. So when the volatility squeeze, so it tells us there is a volatility expansion is due in the market, which is about to begin. So it is quite simple. For the confirmation we have to take care two things in our mind, like suppose the in this example we can see 21,200 put is showing a Bollinger Band squeeze around 11:30 a.m. in the morning. So it's showing that there is a volatility expansion coming after it. So we need to check like which type of direction it is going to expand. So with that particular example, we see there is a price start moving upward, and it tells that the volatility might be take a upward direction. So how we can confirm like it is the upward direction coming or it's a downward direction coming? So we need to check with the Heikin-Ashi along with the MACD. So like with that particular live example in front of us, the price start crossing the upper band here, upper Bollinger Band, touching the upper Bollinger Band bodies. So it's showing that the price is about to start for the upward direction. So we see the same time that the Heikin-Ashi candle also showing there is a bullish candle. So it also confirmed that the price about to begin a positive direction in coming time. So with the confirmation we can take a crossover. It is sometimes not helpful because it is failed most of the time. So we can see a histogram as well. So when the histogram is also showing, MACD histogram is also showing there is an upward direction coming in the market. So with that particular example we see there is a signal coming around 194 level. So when the expansion coming into the volatility, it goes up to the level of 420. So approximate it double. So it's quite simple. So we see some back example as well. Yeah, wow, what a powerful signal here it is. So you see there is a volatility contraction here, and it is on 21st September. It's on 12 noon. So price start moving upward, touching the upper Bollinger Band, and along with the Heikin-Ashi is coming on the buy side. So we need to take a buy side position. So the direction came, the signal came around 97 rupees, and after that you see there is a big jump, and the option touch around 323. So you can see that, and that particular time when the Heikin-Ashi is showing there is a bullish crossover above the signal line. It also confirming you there is a big uptrend coming into the market. So that gives you a very good confirmation, and this is a very good indicator you can use for the option buying, because we have to trade, option trader has to trade the volatility. So thank you very much for watching this. Thanks a lot.